Hello, guys! Welcome back to our online lesson. We are now doing English Chess 6, Unit 1, Lesson 1, and we're on our week 2. To start off, let's now do a recap of the vocabularies that we learned last time. Repeat after me. Hand in, put on, blow out, try out, throw away, take off. All right. Now let's move on to the next. We are doing talk chess, look and say. Now take a look at the picture. This is the grammar focus that we are going to do. In the guide, you have here did he, did she, or did you, and also could he, could she, or could you. And these two questions are answerable with yes or no, or okay. Now just remember that did and could are actually an example of a modal auxiliary. Now there are 10 examples of modal auxiliary. Now let's try to look at this photo. Part E, look and say. Let's try to answer. Blank, blank, pick up all of your toys. Using the guide, you can use did you pick up all of your toys? And the girl said, blank, we picked blank up. Answerable in the guide, yes, we pick them up, which is referred to the toys. And she made a follow-up question saying, blank, blank, pick the rest of the toys up. And she used the guide saying, could you pick the rest of the toys up? And she answered, okay. Now this is a conversation that you can use using the guide. So let's take a look at the photo. What can you say in the picture? Start answering, I can see blank. You can actually express a lot in this photo. Next question. Look at the boy. What is he doing? He is blank. Next question. Look at the girl. What is she doing? She is blank. All right. Now let's look at picture prompts. So in here, you have photos, and we are going to use it using modal auxiliary verb and at the same time an example of a phrasal verb in a conversation. Now let's try first. You can see on your book, turn up the volume. So in the audio, it says, did he turn up the volume? And it's answerable by yes, he turned it up. As you can see, did he is a modal auxiliary, and continued by turned up is an example of a phrasal verb. Next, you have here in the photo, blow up the balloons. First, you can say, did he blow up the balloons? And answerable by yes, he blew them up. Again, blow up is an example of a phrasal verb, and did is an example of a modal auxiliary. Let's take another example. You have here, hang up the clothes. Did she hang up the clothes? Yes, she hung them up. All right. Next, look at the photo. Use up the whole glue stick. Did she use up the whole glue stick? Yes, she used it all up. Where is the phrasal verb? Right. Next, turn off the lights. Did he turn off the lights? Yes, he turned them off. Where is the modal auxiliary? And what is the phrasal verb? Awesome! Now let's have another example. Fill out the form. Did she fill out the form? Yes, she filled it out. What is the modal auxiliary used in the sentence? Good job. Now in this photo, can you give an example of a conversation using modal auxiliary and a phrasal verb? You can type the answers on the Google Classroom. You can make a lot of you can compose a lot of sentences using one photo. Here's another example of a photo. You can type your answer on the Google Classroom. Alright, so awesome job! If you have any questions, you can email me and I can get back to you. Or you can also type your questions on our Google Classroom. Thank you and have a great day!